Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video of Marvel Select Cable. Since Cable, Deadpool 2 featuring it's mainly Cable Deadpool team up movie or versus movie. I'm going to do an unboxing video about that. Also, talk about that April Fool's prank about Hugh Jackman on the set of Avengers Infinity War, Avengers 4. It was fake. It's all fake. It's not, no. Hugh Jackman is not in Atlanta shooting on the set of where Avengers 4 is. It's all fake news. It's a April's Fool's Day prank. Yeah, everyone really wishes that's true, myself including, but that's not gonna happen until the Fox Disney merger happens officially by next February or sometime next year. Alright, so let's unbox this. Okay, from the back of the box it has this, which is a little promo from Marvel Now. Yeah, it was a promo for like 2013, basically revamping Marvel Comics. You can see Wolverine, Cyclops, Captain America, Nick Fury Jr. Which is basically Samuel Jackson, Nick Fury. Nova, new Jean Grey, the time displaced Jean Grey. Doc Green, aka Hulk. Cable, who looks like classic Nick Fury in this. I originally thought that was Nick Fury. I That could be Sue Storm or Valeria Richards. Sue Storm and Reed Richards' daughter. Doc Ock, Spider-Man, Superior Spider-Man 4, and yeah, Iron Man. And yeah, I did really. Oh, and Rocket Raccoon. Did really love Marvel Now. Taking away, this is where Cable sets up. So, I can, the figure already looks great. You can tell this Cable looks like hell, because that's where he's literally from, a world where Apocalypse won and everything's turned to hell. From the back, I'll open them up. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay, maybe not. Maybe box covers. Oh, you gotta be too careful. There's little wristbands everywhere. It's old video. That's old figure. Jesus Christ. No, I'm just gonna leave it for this to save time. Just the front. Looks like a great figure. Looks like an awesome figure. Can't wait for Deadpool 2. Deadpool 2 looks great. I can't wait for Infinity War, because Josh Brolin, one of my favorite actors before he even became Thanos or Cable, was still one of my favorites, and cannot wait him to see play evil roles. I'm really excited for it. I'm just wondering where Fox and Disney are. Disney's gonna acquire Fox. We all know that. That's been established. If they do ever do them, how to bring the X-Men into the MCU, just make it the multiverse. Just make the X-Men universe a part of the multiverse instead of recasting everyone. That way, it'll be easier. So we can see Josh Brolin and Cable go off against Josh Brolin and Thanos. Probably that's never going to happen, but we can dream.